안에서 루스벨트함이 전술적으로 어떤 역할을 하게 되는지.
The goal of Freedom Edge is it is a trilateral exercise between the United States Navy, the ROC Navy, and the JMSDF. And the intent of it is to improve the tactical proficiency of our ships. The intent is to improve the interoperability between our navies. And the intent is to ensure that we are ready to respond to any crisis or contingency. So Theodore Roosevelt will be the command ship for Freedom Edge. My staff will be running the exercise in conjunction with the ROC Navy and the JMSDF. So we will do ASW exercise, anti-submarine warfare exercises, anti-air exercise, or air defense exercises, and a number of other tactical exercises to build proficiency.